Meaning of enjambment.
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 Enjambment. Enjambment is a literary technique used in poetry where a sentence or phrase run over the end of one line, continuing onto the next line without any punctuation. This creates a sense of continuity and flow, allowing the poem to maintain its rhythm and pace. By breaking up a sentence or phrase in this way, enjambment can add nuance and complexity to a poem, encouraging the reader to pause and reflect on the multiple meanings and implications of the words being used. Ultimately, enjambment allows poets to express their ideas in a more nuanced, poetic manner.